guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few personal care products that I got from Amazon. They are all under 600 rupees. If I'm wrong, you can see the price on the thumbnail and on the caption, and I will also mention it somewhere around here so you all will know. And they are all perfect for Holi. They are all products that you can use during Holi to keep your skin and hair safe. And yeah, if that is something that you're interested in, let's get into the video. But before we do that, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video, and if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Starting off with this face wash from Acne Squad. Acne Squad is a new brand. They came out with some really good personal care products recently, and I got my hands on this face wash and an acne spot corrector. This face wash is really good. Their packaging is super cute. I love the colors they come in. It comes in a tube, and the face wash is transparent and has a clear gel-like texture. It's very lightweight and not overly drying. It will remove dirt, oil, pollution from your face, but it isn't really good for removing heavy makeup. This is more of the everyday use kind of a face wash. It claims to fight against acne causing bacteria and prevents future breakouts. It has salicylic acid in it, which is another really good component for acne. A really good face wash at the price. Next up is this mattifying sunscreen from Foxtail. It's for normal to oily skin. This is supposed to mattify your skin to a limit, which it doesn't do, but it doesn't make your skin look glowy either. So if that is something you're trying to avoid, that this sunscreen does. Stick sunscreens, it does leave a little bit of a tinge of a white cast. It's not too much, and you probably can't even tell. The packaging is good, and the sunscreen has SPF 70 and PA++++. It also has niacinamide and provitamin B5 and vitamin E. So this is a sunscreen that will not only protect you from the sun, but it will also provide you with other skincare benefit. If you don't care too much about the little white cast it gives out, it's a really good sunscreen at the price. Next up is this lip balm from Just Herbs, and it's one of my favorite lip balm. It provides your lips with a very natural looking tinge. I got mine in the shade Cherry, and it has a red tint. It is quite hydrating to your lips as well, but it's not gonna last for a really long time. 30 minutes at a max, even if you're not eating or drinking anything. The same goes for the shade as well, but if you're someone who doesn't like to wear lipstick, you can go with this one. It makes your lips look very plump and luscious and provides a very natural looking color as well. Usually I wear this and line my lips with lip liner when I'm trying to go for a more natural look. It's not the best lip balm when it comes to hydration, but at the price, it's a really good lip balm that I'm going to be shopping again. Next up is the Acne Squad Spot Terminator. This basically allows you to apply the product directly onto a spot. So it's more like you can spot treat your acne. It comes in a tube, and the tube has a very tiny mouth. So when you squeeze it, only a little bit of product comes out of it. So you can apply that little product to the littlest pimple or acne you have on your face. Now it also reduces excess sebum, lightens dark spot, and heals blemishes. I use this to get rid of excess serum from all of the clogged pores from around my nose and above my chin. It has a very unique packaging that makes it super easy to spot apply the product, and it does its job pretty well. So at the price, it's a really good product. Next up are these soaps from DMA Core. This package comes with a set of 2 soaps. Look at how similar the soap bar looks to the Dove soap bar. I haven't bought a soap in such a long time. I go with body washes only. I got this one because it has kojic acid and alpha-arbutin. This soap is supposed to cleanse and brighten your skin and also reduce pigmentation with the help of alpha-arbutin. If you have dark circles, you could use this soap to wash around your eyes. If you have pigmentation anywhere around your body, you can use the soap there as well. Next up is this Anti-Dandruff Serum from Minimalist. I have had intense dandruff problems for the last 4 years, which becomes intense during the winters and not so much during the summers. I've seen doctors, consumed a bunch of medicines, nothing worked. But this year I was determined to help myself and I got myself a whole new dandruff care routine, and I had very minimal dandruff during the winter as well. And one of the products I started using this year was this one. This product has CPH complex, one of which is oligopeptide and the other one is ethyl lauryl arginate. These two are products that help fight fungi. Not everyone that has dandruff has it because of fungal issues, but my one was. It's not because I have a bad hygiene or something, it is just a skin disease that I had, and this thing actually really helped me with that. This did what a bunch of medicines couldn't. I would like to talk about this product in depth someday, but that will take me some time. For now, all I can say is if you are suffering from dandruff, give this product a try. It's the best in the market. Next up is this body lotion from Dr. Seth's, and this one is for people with oily skin. I got this one because it's almost summer now and I need a body lotion that will keep my skin hydrated but will not make me sweat as much. If I apply a body lotion that is more moisturizing, I tend to sweat a lot and I don't really like that. Another reason this body lotion is a favorite of mine is because during the transition season, my body gets a lot of acne, and this body lotion has salicylic acid that tends to help with that. At the price, it's a really good pick. Next up is this body wash from Buds and Berries. This is the first time I got a product from Buds and Berries and I have to say it is really good. This smells so delicious. It smells delicious. I'm not a fan of overwhelming smells in skincare products or makeup products, but if it is a product that will be washed off, I don't mind it. It's intensely cleansing but not very drying, so you can use it on a daily basis. It's very leathery as well and the package is very useful. At the price, it's a really good product. Next up is this Dabur Amla hair oil. People have used the Dabur Amla hair oil for years and years now. I got my hands on it because I saw some rave reviews about it online and it is actually really good. It makes my hair shiny and soft. It reduces frizz and hair fall and it smells quite good as well. OG hair oils will never fail you in the long run. Since it's oil, it is sticky though, so you will have to wash it after you apply it. Next up is the Vaseline body lotion with SPF 30. Summer is here and we all need a good body lotion that will protect us from the sun as well. And this is just right for that purpose. It is a big bottle and it has a lot of product in it. The packaging is super cute. It is a very moisturizing product, but it is not too heavy, so you are not going to be sweating overly in the sun. It also keeps your skin smooth and supple. It gets absorbed very easily as well. At the price, it's a really good body lotion. Next up is the Scalon London perfume, and summers mean we need a good perfume, and this perfume smells really dreamy. It has some fruity notes to it and some vanilla ice cream notes to it, and I really like the smell. The packaging looks very luxurious as well, and it is very easy to apply and it lasts for quite a long time. At the price, it's a really good perfume. Next up is this underarm roll-on from Just Herbs. It has AHA and BHA in it, so it will reduce pigmentation from your underarms, and it will also reduce those little bumps that we get from shaving and waxing, and it has a really good smell that lasts a really long time. If you wear this and you take a bath, it will still last you. The smell is very strong, but it kills all odor and it works as a perfume as well. I don't really know much about the whitening, brightening and killing of the bumps though. The AHA, BHA, if it has any, does not work. Next up are these razors from Tinkle. I have used a bunch of face razors from a lot of different brands. Next up are these razors from Tinkle. I have used a bunch of different razors from a lot of different brands with big names as well, but none of those razors worked as good as these very affordable Tinkle ones do. They can be used around 3 to 4 times, which is not a lot. Trust me, it prevents a lot of nicks and it is very easy to use, and it gets rid of the hair very effectively, removing it from the starting of the skin. It also removes dirt and dead and dry cells from your skin. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other videos